Hi, I'm Allie, and I'm going to be doing partitive division today. So the definition of partitive division is having some amount of stuff sharing equally with some number of groups and determining how much ends up in one group. So today we're working with 2,890 divided by 34. So to put this into some kind of context, I have 2,890 cookies and 34 friends, and I want to share equally among each friend. So how many cookies does each friend get? So there are two ways that we can look at this. We're going to start off by writing with the algorithm on this side and then the actual explanation on this side. So we have our 2,890 cookies divided among the 34 friends, 2,890 cookies. And first we're going to think, how many sets of 1,000 cookies, because that's what our biggest placeholder is, can we give away? But we know that we can't give any sets of 1,000 cookies away because that would be 34 times 1,000, and that would be 34,000, which is bigger than our 28,000 or 22,890. So we're going to draw just a dotted zero up above because we know that nothing can go in that place. Next, we're going to do the same process and think, how many sets of 100 cookies can we give away? But once again, it's going to be 0 sets, or dotted 0 up above, because 34 times 100 would be 3,400, doesn't fit within this smaller number. Next, we're going to move over to our tens digit, which we can see right here, and actually this time we are going to be able to fit it in. We're going to be able to give away 8 sets of 10 cookies. You can do some guess and check to figure out how many exact sets can fit in here, but we know that 34 times 10 is equal to 340, so it fits in 8 times. So we will write our 8 up above here, but then right now we're just looking at our 3 digits right here. We can ignore the 0 for the moment. So when we do 34 or 340 times the 8, then we get our 272, and we subtract that and we get 17. So next we're going to think, how many times can this 34 go into 17? But we know that's none, so we're going to drop down the 0 from up above. And we can do that because it was still there and we just weren't using it at the moment. But it's been a placeholder the whole time for in that working with the tens digit. So finally, we're going to think, how many sets of 1 cookie can we give away to our 34 friends? And when we multiply this out, we get 34 times 1. We're really just working with the 34 at this point, and it's going to fit in 5 times. And when we multiply it by 5, we get exactly 170. So we're going to subtract 170 from 170 for our ones digit, and we get 0 cookies left over, or no remaining cookies. And that means that we divided among our 34 friends the 2,890 cookies, and each friend gets 85 cookies.